Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store owned open in PC or laptop. Some provide full guide. Close this. Press on to find out your Microsoft Store. Press on to mouse left side, then you get app settings. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you can fix this problem 100%. Scroll down, showing it to terminate. Press on to reset, repair, and finally press on to reset. Okay, now reset my Microsoft Store. And the second step, open your settings. Follow the left side, showing you to time and language, date and time, and make sure to disable and enable. Okay, just replace and showing you to Windows Update. Press on. If you have need to update, press on to update. Okay, close this. And the third solution, go to search again and search it to Windows PowerShell. Search it to Windows PowerShell and press enter. And you just paste here this, provide this in my description box and press enter, and overall okay. And just try to opening your Microsoft Store, then successfully open this. I hope you just follow my all step very carefully, then you can 100% solution.